Welcome to this explainer. I'm an experienced preventive dentist right here from Apollo Dental Nallakunta, and today we're going to chat about something we all rely on but usually ignore until it hurts: our teeth. Think of this as a laid-back, unhurried consultation designed specifically for our Hyderabad families. We're going to look at the science behind your smile and break down how to keep your teeth healthy naturally. Our whole philosophy is super simple. Prevention is always better than treatment. So let's dive right in. So what if I told you a cavity might be forming in your mouth literally right now and you feel absolutely nothing? It's kind of spooky, isn't it? But the truth is, cavities are a completely silent disease. Most of us have been wired to only visit the dentist when something is actively hurting. But here's the catch. By the time you feel that sharp twinge or throbbing ache, the decay has already done a lot of damage. Waiting for tooth pain means you're totally missing the crucial window for prevention. Honestly, the cavity you don't see coming is the worst kind. Because look, tooth decay doesn't just happen overnight. It's a slow burn. During the first few weeks, it starts super quietly as this little chalky white spot on your enamel. But the biggest takeaway here is that at this specific stage, it's completely reversible. If we don't catch it, months 2 to 5 bring physical enamel erosion. Then, around months 6 to 12, you might start feeling sensitive to hot or cold drinks. And if it goes beyond a year, that's when you hit pain and root involvement, meaning fillings, root canals, or worse. The secret to a healthy mouth is catching everything on the far left side of this timeline. We actually call that super early stage incipient caries. It's a fancy medical term, but what it really means is those chalky white spots we were just talking about. Catching decay right here is the absolute ultimate goal. Why? Because through a genuinely amazing process called remineralization, we can literally rebuild and heal the tooth naturally without ever having to touch a dental drill. No drilling, zero anxiety, just strengthening what your body naturally built. So why do cavities even form in the first place? Well, sugar gets a bad rap, but it's really about the bacteria in your mouth feeding on carbs and producing acid. Here in Hyderabad, we obviously have an amazing food culture. But whether you're grabbing a quick street sweet, enjoying a plate of biryani, or just having your afternoon chai, every single time you eat, your mouth goes through a 20 to 30-minute acid attack. After that, your mouth slowly enters a saliva recovery phase to get back to normal. And that brings us to a massive point about our daily habits. Because of that 20 to 30-minute acid attack window, constantly grazing on snacks throughout the day is actually way more dangerous for your enamel than the total amount of sugar you eat. Wild, right? If you're snacking all day, your teeth are under continuous acid attack with zero recovery time. Structuring your meals gives your enamel the defined breaks it desperately needs to recover and harden up again. It's not about depriving yourself, it's just about being smart with your timing. Now, you might be wondering, how does a mouth bounce back from all that acid? Enter the unsung hero of your oral health, saliva. People totally underestimate saliva. It's your mouth's natural, built-in defense mechanism. It physically washes away food debris, and more importantly, it neutralizes those harmful acids. But here's the thing, saliva can only do its job if you are properly hydrated. If you have a dry mouth, your cavity risk goes way up. Just drinking plenty of water throughout the day is literally one of the easiest preventative steps you can take. And you can actually help this process along with what you eat. Your diet is basically your enamel's best friend or its worst enemy. Dairy products, leafy greens, nuts, eggs, these are packed with calcium and phosphorus, which physically remineralize your teeth. Also, I absolutely love highlighting crunchy vegetables like carrots and celery. Think of them as nature's toothbrushes. Their crisp texture scrubs the teeth and really gets that saliva flowing. Oh, and if you need a quick refresh after a meal, chewing some sugar-free gum with xylitol is fantastic for kicking off that recovery phase. All right, let's pivot and talk about cleaning. 35%. I really want that number to sink in for a second. That is the exact percentage of your tooth surfaces that you are completely missing if you only brush and never floss. That is more than a third of your tooth left entirely uncleaned every single day. And wouldn't you know it, those tight, unreachable spaces are exactly where cavity-causing bacteria love to hide, breed, and just eat away at your enamel. So, for the 65% you can reach with your brush, technique is absolutely crucial. And no, it's not about scrubbing as hard as you can for 2 minutes. That actually damages your enamel. You want to use soft bristles and fluoride toothpaste. Here's the trick. Hold the brush at a 45-degree angle, right at the gum line, not flat against the tooth. Use small, gentle, circular motions. And please, pay special attention to the inner surfaces of your lower front teeth. That is literally the #1 spot we see people consistently miss. Now, how do we tackle that missing 35%? Flossing. I know nobody loves doing it, but it's just not optional. But the technique here really matters too. It's called the C-shape method. You don't want to just snap the floss down between your teeth. That hurts and damages your gums. Instead, slide it gently, wrap it in a C shape around the curve of the tooth, and dip just below the gum line. This gently sweeps out the hidden plaque. And hey, if traditional string floss is too tricky, water flossers are a seriously fantastic alternative. All right, let's shift gears to how we can help you out in the clinic, especially if you're a parent. Have you guys heard of dental sealants? Think of them as invisible raincoats or quiet little guardians for your kids' newly erupted back teeth. Our molars naturally have these deep pits and grooves where food just gets completely trapped and a toothbrush simply can't reach down there. A sealant is just a thin, super safe coating that fills in those grooves. It takes minutes to do, there is absolutely no drilling, and it causes zero discomfort for the kid. And the stats on this are just incredible. Getting sealants can reduce the risk of cavities in school-aged kids by up to 80%. That is a massive safety net for a procedure that is completely painless. Dr. Ansi V. Ignatius, our pediatric dental specialist at Apollo Dental Nallakunta, is amazing at creating these gentle, child-friendly preventative plans. It's all about setting kids up for a lifetime of healthy teeth without them ever having to fear the dentist. Okay, but what about strengthening the enamel we already have? Well, that's where fluoride comes in. It's genuinely your enamel's best ally and one of the most well-researched cavity prevention tools on the planet. When you use fluoride toothpaste or when we apply those concentrated professional treatments in the clinic, it actually incorporates itself right into your enamel structure. It basically builds a microscopic shield around your teeth, making them highly resistant to acid attacks and actually helping reverse that early-stage decay we talked about earlier. Now, you might be sitting there thinking, okay, if I'm brushing, flossing, and using fluoride at home, why do I even need to see the dentist? Well, it's a tag team effort. Your at-home care is your daily foundation for sure, but professional 6-month checkups are your ultimate safety net. While you brush away the soft plaque, we remove the hardened tartar that a toothbrush literally can't budge. You look in the mirror for obvious spots, but we can find that invisible early erosion. We work together to keep you healthy. And to find that tiny, invisible erosion, we rely on some seriously advanced tech. At Apollo Dental Nallakunta, we don't just guess. Our team uses tools like Iderolumina 3D scanning and intraoral cameras, so we can see exactly what is happening in your mouth. We use digital x-rays that drastically reduce radiation compared to old-school methods. Plus, with BioLase laser dentistry, any treatments are incredibly gentle. All this tech lets us spot decay when it's microscopic, super manageable, and frankly, very inexpensive to fix. We are so proud to be a patient-first hub for our community. Led by Dr. Ansi V. Ignatius, our clinic is super conveniently located right on Shivam Road in New Nallakunta, just above the Kruor Visa Bank. We're perfectly positioned for families from Nallakunta, Mushirabad, Vidyanagar, Himayatnagar, and Amberpet. We take the time to explain everything, we never rush a consultation, and we make sure that even our most anxious patients feel completely informed and in control of their own oral health. Which brings us to our final thought for today. I want to leave you with a question. The cavity forming right now, the one you can't even feel yet, is the absolute easiest one to treat. Are you going to wait for the pain to dictate your health, or will you choose prevention today? Healthy teeth really don't happen by accident. They're a daily choice. So if it's been more than 6 months since your last visit, consider this your friendly nudge. Take control of your oral health, give us a call, and let's keep that smile healthy naturally.